Hello. In the previous lecture we have discussed fluid mechanics, what is fluid mechanics and what are static, kinematics and dynamics. So let us just recall. Fluid mechanics is a branch of science which deals with the behavior of the fluids, either liquid or gaseous, whether in rest or in motion. So the rest type of fluid is called a static fluid, and the motion types of fluids are called kinematics and dynamics. In kinematics, the pressure forces will not be taken into consideration, and in dynamics part, the pressure forces will be taken into consideration. And we have seen four properties of fluids. So first is called density or mass density. Second one is called specific weight or weight density. Third one is called specific volume, and fourth one is a specific gravity. So in the previous lecture we have discussed what is just the definition of density or mass density. So then generally what is density? We know that mass by volume is called as generally density. So nothing but in general density is nothing but the heaviness or lowness of an object is called as a density. So density is denoted by the letter rho. It is nothing but the mass of the fluid by volume, or volume of the fluid also you can call. Generally density is denoted by the letter rho. It is nothing but mass of the fluid by volume of the fluid. So coming to units in terms of SI or MKS system, MKS is nothing but meter, kilogram, second. CGS is nothing but centimeter, gram, second. So if you look at the density units in SI units, so mass units will be kg and volume units will be meter cube. So generally the density value will be kg per meter cube. So generally the density units will be kg per meter cube. If you want the value for the water, density of water, generally density is denoted by the letter rho. So the density of water will be 1 gram per cubic centimeter cube, or cc, cubic centimeter, or centimeter cube. Or generally we can write as a density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. So this is the first property of fluid which we have discussed. Now let us go to the second property of the fluid in the next class. Thank you, viewers.